The NH90 is the largest military helicopter program in Europe. Nearly 460 units are in use worldwide. The platform has recorded more than 300,000 flight hours in all weather and environmental conditions, on land and at sea. On 11 December 2021, the first land variant of the NH90 family was delivered to the Qatar Air Force. Deliveries will continue until 2025 in a €3 billion agreement for the purchase of 28 units signed on 14 March 2028. Leonardo is the main contractor for the overall program and also the provider of training and support services package for crews and maintenance technicians. The deal is supposed to help Qatar with modernizing her military helicopter fleet. Qatar's NH90 program includes 16 NH90 TTHs for land operations, 12 NH90 NFHs for naval missions, a comprehensive support, maintenance and training services package, and associated infrastructure. The program has the potential to be extended in the future with the addition of 12 units in a mixture of TTH and NFH variants. Leonardo is providing, contributing to, or supporting the integration of various avionics and sensor payloads, including the Leonardo LEOSST HD electro-optical system, HD mission video recorder, automatic identification system, tactical video link, and full HD display for cabin consoles. Leonardo will be responsible for the assembly and delivery of 12 NH90 NFH helicopters. Airbus Helicopters is responsible for carrying out the final assembly of the 16 NH90 TTH aircraft. As the largest military helicopter program in Europe, the NH90 is the optimal choice for maritime operations thanks to its fully composite airframe with a large cabin, its excellent power-to-weight ratio, and its wide range of drone equipment. It features a quadruplex fly-by-wire flight control system for a reduced pilot workload and enhanced flight handling characteristics. The NH90 is available in two main variants, one specified for naval operations, the NH90 NFH, and the TTH for land-based operations.